चलो 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 जल्दी सीधा.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. A very
What am I supposed to say?
question and
I have
answer.
no clue what I'm supposed to say.
Just some Q&A with your friends.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for coming here. I was shooting all night yesterday, so I didn't get a chance to read the script, which is in my hand. So I'm going to make this up as I go along, right? Okay. We have with us, sir, Mr. Bachchan, Vidya, all the dignitaries who put in their money and trusted us to make the film. Suckers. And what I'll do is, now, who do I call on stage? Okay, can I just call on stage Rivu? Because I didn't do much on this project. I'm the creative producer, but I really didn't do much. What I did was I stayed there and I sold my script to Vidya, who decided to do another film with me. That's what I did.
Can we have you on stage?
So I'll call on stage Rivu, who will tell you a lot about Teen. He's the guy who put in all the hard work. He did the script, he did everything. And I'm very proud of Rivu because whatever we invested in Rivu, he gave us much more. I mean, a lot of return on interest from Rivu here. Yeah. So I'm going to give the mic to Rivu and
And what? Okay. So I think before we start anything, I think we should call Sir first. Sir, please. Without you, we can't start anything. And Vidya, will you please join us? Yeah. So this is, we are missing Nawaz here, but we have Sir, we have Vidya, we have Sujoy, and we're all in white. Yeah, we're all in white. Yeah, we decided. Achha, somebody's asking to. Yeah. Now, do you want to?
Just some banter between them.
Okay, we can do that very well.
Why don't you tell me about some of your experiences while shooting in Kolkata?
we will start with Sir. Sir, what was your experience about shooting in Kolkata? I'm just taking the phone out.
Okay. So I'll tell you, when we wrote the script, Suresh is here, Mr. Nair, he's the writer with Bijesh. If we can have one more chair, Suresh can also join us. And so when we first wrote the script and we went to Sir, and we told him, so we are going to shoot this film in Kolkata. And the first reaction from Sujoy was, "Kaise hoga ye picture?" Kyunki, when you go to Kolkata with Mr. Bachchan, it is crazy. Every day we almost had 700 to 800 cops because the amount of crowd came in every day for the shoot was minimum between 5 to 10,000. And I remember in one location which was a little outside of Kolkata, it went to 19,000. So you can imagine the situation we were in. But it was quite a challenge. And also, I remember one day we were shooting with Vidya at a railway station, a railway junkyard actually rather. तो हमको लगा कि ये तो दूर है, and sir had a break that day. So it was quite little outside the main city. So we didn't know कि before we reached कहाँ से इतने लोग आ गए, क्या हुआ, and I think we couldn't actually properly shoot that day, right? Yeah, we had to reshoot it. So I think the biggest challenge shooting was the crowd, because they are actually they love cinema in Kolkata, and they're also very knowledgeable. I mean, if you can talk to any Bengali about cinema or sport or politics, and they can just go on. So I think that was the biggest challenge, but I think we had great fun, and we had situations, but sometimes we thought we'll do this shot like this, and without telling anybody, without taking any permission, and ended up not taking the shot. I remember one day we went to Sir and said, "Sir, ये तो हुआ नहीं, क्या करे?" And then he actually planned planned the shot, how we can do that. I think sir would, sir would be the best person to say that. I think you can. Yeah, okay. So yeah, sure. What was your experience? He was a creative producer, so what do you think?
It was, for me, it was a great ride. You know, it was a lot of difficulties and everything, but Ribu did all the hard work, so I didn't do much. But crowd control is, I'm very good at, so if any of you are making a film and you want some crowd control, you can call me. I'm very good at that now. And I think especially if you shoot in Kolkata with Sir or Vidya, that's a given. You know, there's millions of people who'll turn out to see. And I remember just in the middle of the, we are shooting and suddenly the mayor of Kolkata turns up. Okay, and he wants to have a chit or chat with Sir, and he wants to give him flowers and sweets and everything. And we had got 1 hour to shoot the whole film. And he takes about time, and you can't say anything to him because he's the mayor of Kolkata. So, you know, these are the challenges we face, but it's great fun. You know, that's how movies are made, blood and sweat. So we had a good time, incredibly good time. And I hope both Sir and Vidya had a good time. And
I think they're all half Bengalis at heart.
So please.
Vidya is going to talk about it.
Oh, okay. Hi, everyone. Well, Teen was a very special experience for me, not just because I'm in a special appearance. Oh my God, that's a terrible joke. But yeah, it's usual. I was back in Kolkata, one of my favoriteest places in the world. I keep saying it's second home for me. I was working with Mr. Bachchan again in a completely different avatar from Pa. It's been a few years. And I can't say this enough number of times, and everyone who works with him says this. People who don't work with him or haven't had the chance say this, that he is a constant inspiration. So, you know, in my first scene with him, I looked at him and I felt like he was the character, and that really, for me, amazes me time and again. I don't know how you do it, and God bless you with the longest, healthiest life, so we continue to get inspired and entertained by you. And I can keep gushing, but I will talk about another very strong reason for me to do the film was the script. And when I met Ribhu, I thought he was a very pleasant person to interact with. Unlike Sujoy, who's completely mad. You know, Sujoy and I have a very crazy equation, so we won't go there. But with Ribhu, it was like, I just felt I wanted to work with him. I felt like I liked the way he was seeing the film. I liked the way he wanted to tell the story. So I wanted to be part of it. And jokes apart, you know, I was getting to work with Sujoy Ghosh again. And how could I miss that opportunity, really? In Kolkata. So yeah, I've given you enough reasons why I've done the film. And it is the very fact that I've flown down just for the trailer launch means that it is very special for me. And I hope you all enjoy it, throng the theaters and blah, 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 and blue, blue, blue. Thank you.
Sir, you have me.
Oh, okay. Sujoy and me have always been appreciative of each other's works. He's been a little too effusive about his love for me, and I'm always grateful to him. We did Aladdin together, and we had a wonderful time making it. He had some wonderful ideas which he worked with. And then when he was doing Kahani, he wanted me to sing the theme song, Ekla Chalo Re, which I did for him. But even otherwise, even when he was not working, we would meet often at one of our favorite spots, which is Vishal and Shekhar's music room. Talk cinema, talk music, just... and then he came with the idea of wanting to make and produce another film with Ribu. Ribu and me had worked together in a TV serial that we did called Yudh. And Ribu was introduced to me by Anurag Kashyap. And during the making of Yudh, which I felt very good about, because I just was told by Anurag and by Ribu that, just take your time in doing whatever you want to do. There was never any constriction as to how one should perform or in how much time, space you have to finish your lines. I just liked the idea of being free to do whatever we wanted to do. And with the advent of digital cinema now, we don't have the pressures of, costly film that's celluloid. And therefore you can have the liberty of, doing several retakes and takes and carry on working. So when Sujoy brought the idea of Teen, he had actually come with another idea before, which we were almost set to do. And do we disclose that? Or? Yeah, go for it. It was a film about Kerala, and we had decided on the story, and we had decided to go ahead. Schedules are made. And then one fine evening they came and said, we have another idea, and maybe you'd like to hear it. So it took me just a couple of seconds as they went into the narration of Teen that I decided, let's do this, and let's not do the other one at the moment. That's how quick the narration and the decision to make this film came. We were to shoot the film in Goa, and because there were some problems about permissions, they were back in my office again saying, we have a problem, we can't shoot in Goa because there are problems about permissions. What do we do? And I said, let's go to Kolkata. And they said, you'll go to Kolkata? I said, yeah, why not? And that's the time Sujoy told me that, sir, this is a wonderful decision, because I'm going to show you places in Kolkata which you've never seen before, and how true it was during the making of the film. We virtually settled in Kolkata, and I think in one long schedule we finished the film. It's been always a joy to work with Vidya, and I was so happy that they decided to have her in the cast. But I was equally just delighted to work with Nawaz, whom I've always admired. He's a phenomenal talent, and it's just a pity that he's not here with us today. But truly, we get to learn so much from artists like Vidya and Nawaz, because they are this generation, and I'm in great admiration and in awe of all the artists and the younger generation, because they bring to the table something that we are not used to, and we've not seen through the 40 years that we've been in cinema. And that's always such a wonderful learning graph for somebody like me. I watch them very carefully. And when I work with them, I admire the way they approach the project, the scene. And I just have great, great admiration for my two co-artists in this film. The story of the film was what really was very attractive to me. I felt that it was very unique. I don't know how much of its uniqueness we can talk about today, but I suggest that we should have a look at the trailer first, and then maybe we come back here on stage and have an opportunity to talk to you and perhaps answer some of your questions. But I do want to say that that I want to thank the producers and the people that have put their financial might into it. I want to thank the writers who have very diligently worked out a subject which took me a while to understand. So I'm sure that when we talk about the film after you see the trailer, we will be able to perhaps describe more about it. But for the moment, I feel just let's have a look at the trailer, and then we'll come back here and maybe have another discussion and have an opportunity to answer any questions that you have. Thank you.
Thank you.
Luggage here in Kolkata for the shoots. I only learned this much for you, in specific in Bengali.
Sorry, you
কে
mean
তো শো মে লাগেছে লেগেছে
মানে কত সময় লেগেছে? Oh, okay. It took us 52 days? 54 days. 54 days to shoot this.
গরমি છે কি গরমি છે ওদের
Is she speaking Gujarati or Bengali? What is she speaking?
I am trying very hard to speak in Bengali.
No, we shot in winter. It wasn't, no garmi varmi che, thandi che.
No Gormi.
No.
Gormi, no Gormi. I'm sure you must have also learned the language since you shot there for 50 days, 50 odd
Hey,
days.
sir speaks very good Bengali. Sir, Bangali.
Wow, can we have a few lines in Bengali from you, sir?
Sometimes you people forget who I'm married to.
I'm from the same hometown. Can we have a few lines of Bengali from you?
Sir, কিছু বলে দিন স্যার।
একটু জানি, বেশি জানি না।
That was good enough. Shujoy, would you like to share with us how we are intending to promote the film and what is the innovative idea that we have?
Okay, this is my cue to bring out this piece of paper and read out, since I haven't learned it. Okay, so here, listen carefully. We want the audience to promote the film. Hello? No, sincerely, we want the audience to promote the film. I mean, even though Alok laughs at it, but we want the audience to promote the film. So we have tied up with 60,000, how many? 60,000 artists, graphic designers to take the campaign ahead. And it's called Teen It Around. Teen It Around, as in TE3NITaround.com. And you can find all the details on www.teenitaround.com. And the 5 categories are, you can make a poster, you can choose the song that you want to see, make the game you want to play, choose the information you want to hear, and the final one, any other ideas. Okay, and this is the power of Teen, where all the filmmakers and the media and the audience will come together to create a promotional campaign which hopefully will benefit us and involve you in the process. And we would really, really want all of you to come and participate in this. So if you go to www.te3nitaround.com, you'll get all the details there.
Yes. So I know you must.
Sorry,
Yes,
excuse
sure.
me. I just want to elaborate on that. Every producer, when he finishes a film, we all sit down. There's a huge marketing team now that sits down to decide on how we need to promote the film. Marketing and promotion has become a very important element in all film productions these days. And it's a very professional, recognized, very well-educated academic group of people who come across and give you wonderful ideas, and they are fantastic. I just felt that during that meeting, and which we shared with everyone else, that maybe this is something that we see in almost every kind of promotion in all the other films. So you have, of course, the one-on-one interviews, but you have presence of artists at some of the very prominent TRP shows on television. You make city tours, and you go to malls, and you talk to people, and you expect a crowd to come there. And I just felt that with the kind of budget that we have in this film, with the kind of star cast we have in this film, with all due respects, we are not the biggest stars which can attract a lot of people to come and see our film. So no, seriously. I felt that it would be an unnecessary expense to go through this entire procedure and not see the final result. So I suggested that maybe we can save on the budget, save on this expense of marketing, and maybe after seeing the film and maybe after talking today, we could invite the audience, of what they see and what they feel a film like this should be promoted, and how they feel that a film like this should be promoted, which is why the initiative that the producer and all the people in the marketing department very readily agreed, and I'm very happy that they're all here today, and they will have an opportunity to elaborate on that. But really, this is not something of a joke, it's not something humorous, but seriously, this time we would like the audience to tell us how to promote a film. A film, a trailer of which you have already seen. And some of the elements that Sujoy just read out are very pertinent. And there is a technical backup to that, where every suggestion of yours that comes in under various headings will be looked at, will be computerized, will be reacted to, and we will put that out into the public market, again, through your medium, to let the people know that this is what has been coming into us, what they feel about it. And maybe this way we could perhaps continue conversation about the film, talk about the film, and yes, if there are ideas and concepts which we feel and which the marketing team feels is good enough and intelligent enough for the promotion of the film, then we will acknowledge it. We will perhaps give some kind of an award for it, and hopefully that we will encourage people to talk more cinema, talk more about film, rather than do something that everyone is now usually used to. That basically was the idea. So this afternoon we will, of course, initiate something like this, and maybe when you put out your questions to us, we will answer more. But that is really a very comprehensive idea of what we want to do as far as the marketing is concerned.
So I'm sure you all must be curious. Any questions? The floor is
So
open.
yeah, a little more on the making of the film. I'll talk about myself, and then Vidya and Ribu and Sujoy can talk about it. Suggesting Calcutta has always been a great benefit for me, because many of you may not know, but I had my first job in Calcutta, in Kolkata. It was Calcutta then. That was in 1962. I worked for almost 7-8 years in a managing agency house as an executive. I was in the coal department, so a lot of the inputs that came in an earlier film of mine, which was made by SG, called Kala Patthar, a lot of those inputs came from my own experiences in coal mines, and where I had to actually train for 2 months. And Calcutta has always been, at that time, a city that has been very close to me. I've been very attracted to it, primarily because, you get your first job there, and you get the freedom, you get the independence, you start living on your own, and you build a kind of relationship. And Calcutta has a very unique way of every evening, you would meet the same people at all the prominent places and still never get bored of meeting them, because everyone had something fresh to say, something unique to do, something unique to talk about. It's art and culture is obviously associated with Bengal, but that apart, there's this famous adda that everyone has in Bengal, where everyone gathers together and they talk about various subjects, and it's such a wonderful feeling. So for me to get back there and to visit old sites and old locations, I must have stayed in at least 10 different places there, as a paying guest, as a rented place. So just being in that environment has always been very exciting. I do want to say it to the production that they were absolutely marvelous in the way they produced the film. Gave me and all the artists working conditions which are so conducive to actually putting your heart and mind into the film. Sujoy was absolutely right when he said that some of the locations that he was going to take me to shoot in, I'd never ever seen before, despite the fact that I'd lived in Calcutta and for 8 years. And there were some ironic situations as well. For example, we were shooting in an old mill once, and almost 2 hours into the shooting, I actually disclosed to them that this was one of the mills which were under the company that I was working with. And we used to come here to train. So there were a lot of ironies like this but also I want to thank the government of West Bengal for providing us incredible amount of facilities, whether it was in the permissions that we got to shoot in locations which no one had ever shot before, like Writers Building, which is like the secretariat of the government, to be able to shoot inside there, to get permission to work there. The kind of security arrangements they made for us was just phenomenal. We had to drive long hours to forests which were near Shanti Niketan, and it was just amazing that despite the heavy traffic that we would face in these 4 hours drive and 4 hours going and coming, that's like 8 hours of just being on the road, was just absolutely so amazing. And we never ever had any problem with crowds at all. Ribu just mentioned that the people of Kolkata are truly educated about cinema, and they understand when they're told to keep quiet because we are shooting sync sound, or they're asked to move out of the frame. There's never been a problem with them because they understand cinema and the way it is shot, and their cooperation. And to the people of Calcutta, I'd just like to say a big thank you, and to the administration for providing us this great amount of help and assistance. Yeah, are we okay to go for questions now? You want to say something else? Yeah, all right. So,
First of all, let me begin with congratulating you for the National Award.
oh, thank you so much. It's all right, I can hear you, it's fine.
I would like to know, you played many vigilante characters in your previous films. So how is this character different from those characters?
Yeah, first of all, we have to establish whether I'm a vigilante in the film or not. I hope that's going to be a part of the mystery. But one of the things that Ribu said to me when he was designing the character was, I don't want you to be who you've already been in so many other films. At this age, it's not much of a challenge because what you see me physically is what you will find in the film. Yes, he never wanted me to be aggressive. He wanted me to have a kind of tone to my voice, which you may have noticed, I'm not sure whether you did, which was almost like he's an old man, he's weak. He's an Anglo-Indian. His name is John Biswas. It's an Anglo-Indian family. And one of the reasons why we were shooting in Goa was because we wanted the character to be Anglo-Goan. But when we shifted to Kolkata, we made it Anglo-Indian. There's a very large population of Anglo-Indians in Kolkata, and I had, through my experiences of 8 years, interacted with them. So we had some of their mannerisms and the way they behave already with there. But when we did the research on Anglo-Indian characters there, we found them no different from any one of us. I mean, they spoke Hindi beautifully, and they hardly ever spoke Bengali. So most of this, because we'd already done Piku and I'd already spoken Bengali, a lot of it in there, and played that character, Ribu decided that I must play something which is a departure from that. And that's how we actually came to that, that condition of the character. Yes, there will be a vigilante. And I think that if we disclose all that, then we will disclose the story. But these are some of the things that Ribu wanted me to do. He wanted me to play a very weak, old character who's distressed by the fact that there has been a tragedy in his family and how he's going to go about making amends.
सर
जी बच्चन साहब
हाँ, वजीर और इसमें कुछ सिमिलैरिटीज हैं
ऐसा लगेगा आपको, लेकिन जब एक मिस्ट्री फिल्म बनाते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं उसमें एक समानता आपको नज़र आती है, लेकिन मैं काफ़ी विश्वास के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि ये अलग होगी।
जी बच्चन साहब
ये अलग शब्द जो है हर लोग जो है हर जगह ये इस्तेमाल करते हैं। हमारी फिल्म जो है थोड़ी हटके है, अलग है, लेकिन सही मानों में आपने सही कहा, ये मैं मानता हूँ थोड़ी सी, क्योंकि हर मिस्ट्री फिल्म में हमेशा ऐसा ही होता है कि कुछ ना कुछ एक जो मिस्ट्री होती है वो सामान्य होती है।
जी बच्चन साहब सबसे पहले तो here Runa, I'll just stand for you. सही कैन यू
मेरे बाएं दाएं बताइए किधर हैं आप?
सर आपके दाहिने साइड।
जी जी जी,
हाय,
सॉरी।
आपको बहुत सारी बधाइयाँ।
जी जी,
बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको उस मौके पर देखना और बहुत खुश देखना। बहुत सारी बधाइयाँ
धन्यवाद।
और बहुत खूबसूरत ट्रेलर। बच्चे की आवाज़ बहुत टची थी।
जी,
आपने वैसे तो बहुत कुछ बोल दिया जो मैं पूछना चाह रही थी, लेकिन आप इस साल जब आप कोलकाता गए और उस समय जब आप 60s में गए थे, उससे उस समय से लेकर इस समय तक के कोलकाता में आपको बहुत बड़ा बदलाव क्या दिखाई दिया?
बहुत से फ्लाईओवर्स बन गए अब और कुछ जी, और बहुत सी पुरानी जो वहाँ बिल्डिंग्स थी जहाँ पर हम लोग जाया करते थे और जो अम, हमारे लिए एक तरह से एक फेवरेट हॉन्ट होता था, वो अभी नहीं दिखाई दिए। लेकिन कुछ चीज़ें अभी भी हैं। पुचका पानी जो है, जो विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल के सामने मिलता है, वो सबसे स्वादिष्ट पुचका पानी मैं ऐसा समझता हूँ भारतवर्ष में, वो वहीं मिलता है और बहुत सस्ता मिलता था। हमारे ज़माने में 2 आने में हमारा पेट भर जाता था और उस ज़माने में हमारे पास जबकि हमारी तनख्वाह 400 रुपये होती थी तो वो 2 आने हमारे लिए बड़ा महत्व रखते थे, तो उससे हमारा डिनर हो जाता था। एक जगह थी निज़ाम, जहाँ पर काटी कबाब मिलते थे, बहुत ही खूबसूरत। वो शायद अब बंद हो गया है अभी भी है लेकिन किसी और नाम से है। और बहुत से रेस्टोरेंट्स थे जो पार्क स्ट्रीट में, जो कि उस ज़माने में हमको लगता था कि ये अजीब सी एक स्ट्रीट है या गली है जहाँ पर इतने सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स एक के बगल में एक थे। तो हम लोग एक जगह से शुरू करते थे और जब तक रात का अंत होता था जितने भी रेस्टोरेंट थे सब जगह घूम लेते थे। वो सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं, कुछ चले गए हैं, कुछ चाइनीज़ रेस्टोरेंट थे, वॉल्डॉफ जैसे है, वो अब नहीं रहा। स्काई रूम एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत रेस्टोरेंट था जहाँ खाने को बहुत अच्छा मिलता था। अपने पैसे हम लोग नहीं लगा पाते थे तो उनको पकड़ के ले जाते थे जो हमें खिला सकें वहाँ पर। लेकिन कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें बदली हैं, कुछ सिनेमा घर जो हैं वो बंद हो गए हैं या टूट गए हैं। लाइट हाउस वगैरह जो थे जहाँ हम लोग जा कर के फिल्में देखा करते थे वो सब अब बंद हो गए हैं। ये थोड़ा से बदलाव आया है, लेकिन लोग जो हैं वो नहीं बदले। ये बहुत अच्छी बात लगी मुझे। आज भी लोग वैसे ही हैं, उतना ही स्नेह प्यार देने के लिए तैयार है। और जिस तरह का स्नेह प्यार वहाँ मिलता है वो मेरा ऐसा अनुमान है देश भर में या विदेश भर में कहीं भी किसी भी कलाकार को नहीं मिलता है।
मिस्टर बच्चन, आपसे मेरा सवाल है हियर, वसीम अख्तर फ्रॉम इंडिया न्यूज़। आपके दाहिने साइड जहाँ से सवाल पूछा गया
जी,
था,
जी,
कहते हैं कि वहाँ की एक हेरिटेज है जो हाथ रिक्शा चलता है।
जी,
तो आपने इस बार का एक्सपीरियंस लिया वहाँ पे जा करके? अभी भी वहाँ चलता है या बंद हो गया है? दूसरी चीज़, एक ट्राम हुआ करती थी जो शायद ट्राम भी बंद हो चुकी है, तो उस पर कुछ
जी
रोशनी
नहीं,
डालेंगे?
वो रिक्शा भी चलता है और ट्रैम भी चलती है। एक हमारा शॉट है, आपने देखा होगा ट्रैम में, मैं घूमा हूँ उस ट्रैम में और बड़ा अजीब सा लगता है क्योंकि इसी ट्रैम में हम लोग नौकरी ढूंढने निकला करते थे और जब इन्होंने मुझे वापस उसमें डाला तो बहुत सी पुरानी यादें जो हैं वो ताज़ा हो गई। हैंड रिक्शा भी चलता है, अभी भी कम हो गया है थोड़ा मेरे ख्याल से। उसमें थोड़ा सा एक there's a human element which a lot of the human what is that association called, that human rights, I think they have perhaps I don't know, I may be wrong here, but we didn't see much of those hand rickshaws. But जब हम कलकत्ते में काम कर रहे थे तब एक आध बार उसमें घूमे। जी
जी। Hi Ripu, over here. Ripu over here, towards your left.
Congratulations to you for the national award. I hope so this film will also do the same. टीकू में आपने साइकिल चलाई थी
जी
कलकत्ता के रास्तों में, यहाँ पर स्कूटर, how was the experience of riding a scooter?
जी,
पहले कभी चलाई हो?
मैंने गाड़ी वाड़ी तो ठीक रहती है लेकिन स्कूटर और मोटरसाइकिल मेरे जीवन में थोड़ा सा कम रहा है, उसको नहीं चला पाया हूँ मैं। लेकिन जब इन्होंने कहा कि ज़्यादातर आपको स्कूटर पे घूमना होगा तो मैंने इनसे कहा कि 1.5-2 महीने पहले एक स्कूटर ला करके मेरे घर रख दो ताकि मैं उस पर प्रैक्टिस कर सकूं। तो थोड़ी बहुत इन्होंने मेरी बात मानी और यहाँ जलसा में एक स्कूटर आ गया था और उस पर जब आप लोग नहीं होते आसपास तब मैं उसको लेकर घूमता था और प्रैक्टिस करता था। ये वेस्पा स्कूटर है और थोड़ा सा पुराने ज़माने का है जो फिल्म है, ये जो आज तक के हैं, हाँ सॉरी बजाज है। तो ये थोड़ा सा भयंकर है क्योंकि मोटरसाइकिल में तो दोनों पाँव इस तरफ रख सकते हैं, इधर उधर जाएं तो पाँव नीचे रख सकते हैं। स्कूटर में दोनों ऐसे रहते हैं तो ज़रा सा भी बैलेंस जाए तो रोकने में थोड़ा गड़बड़ होता है। मेरा इतना अनुभव नहीं है। लेकिन शुरुआत में जैसे कि शुरू में हम लोग मैदान जो है वहाँ पर गए और अल सुबह जा कर के उससे प्रैक्टिस करते थे ताकि जब हम लोग सड़क पे चले तो हमको कोई दिक्कत ना हो और किसी तरह हो गया ये काम.
Hi Ribu, over here. You know the film has a terrific star cast. So how easy was it to get everyone on board?
Are you talking about easy or difficult? What is your question?
Easy. How easy or difficult, whatever it is.
See, I think at the end of the day, everything goes back to the script. You know, if you have a good script and you have actors who see the vision you're seeing, that's one way I look at it. And in this case, I think Vidya mentioned and Sir had mentioned that, you know, everything fall into place because, like Sir said that, you know, when we started narrating the story to him, in the first few minutes only he said that, you know, we should go ahead and write the script. And then we wrote the script, we went back to him and he read it. Like same way when we went with Vidya, we sent her the script and she read it, she got back and she, you know, I think at the end of the day, it's the story, the script, which excites you as a director and the actors. If they have the same vision, what you're seeing, I think it should fall into place.
And Vidya, how was it returning to Kolkata after Kahani? And again, you are shooting for Kahani 2 as well at Kolkata. So
Yeah, I don't think there's a question of returning to Kolkata because I feel I spend half my days there invariably. But it was wonderful. Like Sir said, the people are so warm and welcoming. My debut film was a Bengali film. So they actually, even before Parinita, so they actually think I'm Bengali. Everyone speaks to me in Bengali and I show off my Bengali wherever I can. I also know songs and rhymes and all of that. So some slang also. So the unit I'm very familiar with, unit hands, you know, it's just like being with family. So when I'm in Kolkata, I actually don't miss home all that much. I really feel very much at home and I'm back there for Kahani 2 now. And it just feels like I went there for Teen and I stayed on and we're shooting and it's great. And you know, Nawaz and me were meeting in Kolkata after 6 years, after we shot Kahani. In these 6 years post Kahani, we hadn't met at all. We met on the sets of Teen. And both of us have, you know, had lots of films in between and it was just nice catching up with him and working with him again because most of my scenes are with Nawaz. And I wish he was here today. But even he says the same thing. He says, I don't miss home when I'm in Kolkata. So I think it's pretty much universal, that feeling.
Amit ji, mystery film है ये तो कौन
Who's
सी
asking the question? Please stand up.
Me, I can't stand of course. Back to. सर आपसे और मैम आपसे सवाल है कि मिस्ट्री फिल्म है ये, कौन सी फिल्मों के आप कायल हैं, मिस्ट्री फिल्मों के जिनको आप देखना पसंद करते हैं या जिनको आपने?
हर मिस्ट्री फिल्म जो है उसमें कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ऐसा होता है जिसको देखने का मन करता है बार बार. वो चाहे अल्फ्रेड हिचकॉक की फिल्में हों या जो फिल्में यहाँ पर बनी हैं हमारे भारतीय फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में. किसी एक का नाम लेना बड़ा मुश्किल होगा लेकिन सारी फिल्में जो हैं वो अच्छी लगती हैं. एक चीज़ जो कि शायद हमने नहीं कही पहले वो ये कि इस फिल्म में कहीं भी कोई सेट नहीं बना. जितनी भी जगह आप देखेंगे वो एक्चुअल लोकेशंस हैं और उसका एक अलग एक चाव होता है. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि ये हम लोग यहाँ कैसे कर पाएंगे क्योंकि ये तो एक्चुअल सेट है. चाहे वो जो सबसे प्रथम चौराहा है ग्रैंड होटल के सामने जहाँ से पूरी सेपराइटर्स बिल्डिंग को सड़क जाती है, कितना भारी भरकम भीड़ होती है, लेकिन वहाँ पर भी हमने स्कूटर चलाया और भीड़ भाड़ हो जाती है लेकिन बहुत ही संयम रखा उन्होंने, अनुशासन रखा उन्होंने और ये बहुत अच्छी बात लगी हमें. दूसरी बात रिबू ने कहा था कि मैं इसमें जैसा एक आम आदमी को कोई एक जगह दिखाई देती है वैसे ही मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो जगह दिखे. अगर कम रोशनी है तो कम रोशनी से. और तुषार जो कि हमारे डीओपी थे उनको मैं बहुत बधाई देना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि कई एक जगह मुझे लगता था कि ये शूटिंग कर भी रहा है कि नहीं यार क्योंकि कोई बत्ती तो जल नहीं रही है कहीं. और बड़ा अजीब सा लगता है क्योंकि हम लोग उस ज़माने से गुजरे हैं जहाँ पर बड़े बड़े ब्रूट लाइट्स वगैरह लगती थी, रिफ्लेक्टर लगता था, आँख भी नहीं खुल सकती थी. अब कोई रोशनी नहीं जलती है तो बड़ा अजीब सा लगता है. लेकिन ये रिबू का एक विचारधारा थी कि जैसे आम लोगों को दिखता है, मान लीजिए थिएटर में बैठे हैं, अगर हाँ अंधेरा है तो वैसा ही दिखना चाहिए।
विद्या आपकी पसंदीदा फिल्म है, अगर आप मिस्ट्री फिल्मों के बारे में,
Sorry?
आपकी पसंदीदा मिस्ट्री फिल्म
I think I think Psycho and Vertigo are my all-time favorites.
Yeah.
And कहानी, मैं कहानी कैसे बोल सकती हूँ, पर हाँ कहानी, और बहुत सी फिल्में हैं, पर I love the genre, I love the thriller, mystery genre. It keeps me the most excited in a film. मैं नहीं तो बहुत कई बार impatient हो जाती हूँ, पर अच्छा thriller जब देखती हूँ तो बहुत मज़ा आता है.
सुजॉय, ये 3 का क्या मतलब है? हम ट्वीट भी करते हैं तो हमें 3 निकालना पड़ता है, लाइक ई की जगह 3 में जो ये 3 है, TEE की जगह वो 3 आपने ऐसे किया, तो एग्जैक्टली क्या, अगर आप उसको थोड़ा एलेबोरेट करना चाहें?
सर इसके लिए आपको तो पिक्चर देखना पड़ेगा सर. अभी बता दो तो आप पिक्चर क्यों देखोगे? No, actually there is a reason to it. We thought a lot about it.
फिलहाल हम केवल इतना कह सकते हैं कि 3 कलाकार हैं, इसलिए 3.
अमित जी,
Ribu towards your
I actually learned to drive.
Yeah,
from
actually,
this
yeah,
film. I know to drive, but I've never been a confident driver. पर इस फिल्म के लिए हालांकि मेरे उतने ड्राइविंग शॉट्स है नहीं, but I wanted to do it myself. I didn't want them to rig it or anything. So I actually drove around Kolkata. So it was great fun. Shujoy was my driving instructor. And that's the only real preparation. Baki, I enjoyed playing a cop. It's the first time I played a cop. And driving is the only thing. When you watch the film, you'll know.
अमित जी,
Ribu,
The lady over
Ribu
there.
towards
On
your
your right.
left.
Can I just,
अमित जी,
over there, probably.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, can we keep the relating to the film, please? I'm sorry. Yeah, the lady over there.
देखिए, किसी के बगल में बैठ करके जो उनका व्यवहार है या उनके साथ जो बीत रही है, उसके बारे में जो बगल में बैठा है उसको कैसे ज्ञान हो सकता है? आपके साथ में बैठा हूँ, मुझे कोई भी ज्ञान नहीं है कि आपका अगला प्रश्न क्या होने वाला है.
I'm sorry, please.
अमित जी,
लेकिन
Questions?
आपकी बात जो है उसकी मैं सराहना करता हूँ कि महिलाओं को शक्ति मिली, अपने आप अपने पैरों पे खड़े हो सके. हम सब जो है ऐसा हमेशा मानते आए हैं कि महिला जो है उसकी अपनी एक शक्ति होनी चाहिए. 50% जो है देश की आबादी, उतनी ही महिलाएं होनी चाहिए और उतनी ही उनको शक्ति मिलनी चाहिए. समाज में उनका एक महत्व होना चाहिए. हमने हमेशा ऐसा माना है और इन्हीं बातों को हम लेकर के आगे बढ़ते हैं. जी जी जी, ये मेरे पास इतना ज्ञान नहीं है भाई साहब कि मैं बता सकूं.
The lady in black and white, can you ask your question? Can
You
you have
know,
the question over there, please?
I
black and
really
white.
think it's none of my business to be judging anyone, but I will say this, that I have the greatest admiration for Kangana because she's standing up for herself. I think that is very creditable because as women, I think we find it very easy to stand up for other people, for our family members, for our children, for our husbands, for our parents, but we rarely stand up for ourselves. And she's standing up for herself, so kudos to her and more power to her for that.
अमित जी, अमित पहले आपको बहुत बधाई फॉर नेशनल अवार्ड एंड सेकेंडली ये आपको बता दें कि आप जो निज़ाम के बारे में बोला है वो बहुत जल्दी मुंबई में खार में उनका ब्रांच ओपन होते जा रहा
क्या सॉरी?
है. निज़ाम
Nizam is opening in Khar.
ओ,
या
ये बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका, बहुत बहुत. लेकिन दुर्भाग्यवश अब मैंने मांस खाना छोड़ दिया है. तकरीबन 35-40 साल हो गए छोड़े हुए.
सर सिटीज
लेकिन अभिषेक को भेजूंगा वहाँ.
सर वहाँ का जो सिटीज़ का जो मोस्ट आइकॉनिक राइटर्स बिल्डिंग है वहाँ पर ये पहली बार कोई शूट हुआ. इसके पहले कोई बंगाली फिल्म भी वहाँ पर शूट नहीं हुआ.
तो राइटर्स बिल्डिंग में शूट करने का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? सेकंड सवाल यह है कि कोलकाता इज़ ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड टू पॉलिटिक्स, फिल्म, रविंद्र संगीत, फुचका एंड फूड एज यू सेड, बट इसमें से कौन सा चीज़ है कोलकाता का जो आप इतने साल मुंबई में रह के भी विच यू कनेक्ट इंस्टेंटली?
रसगुल्ला।
पर वो तो आप खाते नहीं है।
अब छोड़ दिया है, लेकिन अभी भी मिष्टी दो ही खाता हूँ, और मिष्टी जो है आता रहता है हमारे पास वहाँ से। बहुत से हमारे कुछ मित्र हैं जो भेजते रहते हैं, वो खाता हूँ मैं।
और सर राइटर्स बिल्डिंग के बारे
और बंगाल तो हमारे घर के ही अंदर है।
রিভু আর সুজয়কে একটা প্রশ্ন আছে। রিভু আর সুজয় তোমাদের একটা প্রশ্ন আছে যে মিস্টার বচ্চন তো উনি সবসময় বলেন যে কলকাতার উনি বাঙালি। বাংলায় তো হবে, বাংলা তো বোঝেন। অ্যান্ড বিদ্যা অলসো সেড কি ও কলকাতা ওর সেকেন্ড হোম। তোমরা মিস্টার বচ্চনকে নিয়ে ফিল্ম করেছো, বিদ্যাকে নিয়ে করেছো, এবং ওরাও অনেক বাঙালি ডিরেক্টরের সাথে কাজ করেছেন, এবং কলকাতার সঙ্গে যত এত স্ট্রং কানেক্ট, সেখানে কিন্তু বাঙালিদের একটা প্রশ্ন থাকেই যে কেন বিদ্যা বা মিস্টার বচ্চনকে কোনো বাংলা ফিল্মে দেখা যায় না, যেখানে তোমরা ওদেরকে নিয়ে এত কাজ করছো এবং কলকাতায়
I did actually start working in one, but then that film didn't happen. বাংলা ছবি। হ্যাঁ। না না, অনুসন্ধান was a
ও তো
translation.
লং ব্যাক।
It is a dubbed film. It is a dubbed ছিল।
तो दोनों में हम लोग जो
का कमेंट्स हमने वी हैव सीन दैट, बट अगर आप और भी फिल्म देखेंगे, फिफ्थ एलिमेंट हो या और भी दो चार है, उनमें भी यू हैव सिमिलरिटीज ऑफ अ इमेज विच इज रिवर्स। सो ऐसा नहीं है कि इंसेप्शन ही पहला पिक्चर था जिसमें ऐसा कुछ एज यूज किया हुआ था। आई थिंक फिफ्थ एलिमेंट हैज द सेम थिंग एज वेल।
Yeah, Mr. Bachchan,
Amit
hi,
sir,
this
Amit
is
sir, एक
Karmik
सवाल
Verma
बस-
on your left. right
अमित
here,
सर आपके राइट।
Yeah, my question to you, sir, is that you've been working for almost about 40, 42 years.
69 to 43 years. No. 47 years. Yeah.
47 years, sir. There was a period where, there were scripts which were being written where you were playing, second fiddle to the hero, either the dad or, a character role. But in the last 2 to 3 years, whether it was Wazir, whether it is this film, we've been seeing increasingly, even Piku for that matter, thank you, that scripts are being written with you in the center stage. Are you telling them to do this, or this is happening automatically?
I think they've just become sensible. Sorry, I
Yeah,
interrupted.
exactly. I think whoever did not do that missed out a lot.
If I could write a script, I'd be writing a script for him every day.
No.
So-
Are you upset by the fact that I'm getting this? If you're not upset, I'm really grateful and thankful to some of the writers who still consider me to be playing these kind of roles. I'm really very blessed and fortunate that they think about me like this. But yes, it does give me an opportunity to do things that I was never able to do earlier on, because you played the leading man, and there are certain characteristics, which I was just answering the other gentleman. There's a certain format for the leading man in all our films, and that's what I was doing. But yes, I do consider myself very blessed and very fortunate, and I hope that that there are many others who will come forward. I know Ribu is doing another one with me soon, and it's already
Ribu-
ready. So, yeah.
अमित सर आपके राइट। अमित सर
Given an opportunity, I'll write all my scripts with sir. हाँ, sorry.
अमित सर है राइट। सर
Sorry, yeah. the gentleman-
कोलकाता जैसा अनुशासन जो कोलकाता के लोगों में अनुशासन है, उस किस्म का डिसिप्लिन और किन इलाकों में देखते हैं? क्या हम माने कि यूपी में अगर हम कोई फिल्म शूट करें आपके साथ,
सब जगह अगर आप मेरा ऐसा मानना हमेशा रहा है कि अगर आप जनता को एक बार जाके समझा दें, वो समझ जाते हैं। जनता आमतौर पर अनुशासित रहती है, ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है। कलकत्ते की बात इसलिए की क्योंकि वहाँ के लोग थोड़े से
Passionate.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा भावुक हैं, चाहे वो खेल का मैदान हो, चाहे वो सिनेमा हो, चाहे वो थिएटर हो, संगीत हो। अब यहाँ बैठ कर सुनाना शुरू करूँगा आपको अपनी बातें तो पूरी शाम निकल जाएगी, लेकिन जितना मेरा अनुभव हुआ है कोलकाता के साथ, हम लोग रात भर बैठे हैं ये बालीगंज में, जहाँ पर हमने पूरी रात बैठ करके शास्त्रीय संगीत सुना है। और एक ही शाम के अंदर मैं आपको बताऊं, रविशंकर, विलायत हुसैन, अल्लाह राखा, अलाउद्दीन जी, शांता प्रसाद, ये सब जितने म्यूजिशियंस एक ही शाम में, कभी भी संभव ही नहीं हो सकता कि एक ही शाम ये लोग बजाएं, इनको हम लोग सुनने बैठते थे। खेल के मैदान में आपने देखा है किस तरह से ईडन गार्डन भरता है और कितने पैशनेट होते हैं। इसी तरह जब वो अपना स्नेह और प्यार दिखाते हैं किसी कलाकार के प्रति, तो वो मुझे आज भी याद है कि जब मैं महमूद साहब के साथ रहता था, अनवर अली मेरे मित्र थे, तो वो और धर्म जी गए थे, उनकी एक प्रमोद चक्रवर्ती की फिल्म थी, वो उसके रिलीज़ के लिए गए थे वहाँ, और उनको थिएटर का जो ऊपर एक छज्जा होता है वहाँ पर जा कर के खड़ा होना पड़ा क्योंकि इतनी भीड़ हो गई थी। और जैसे ही वो छज्जे पे निकले, इतनी ज़ोर से उनका स्वागत हुआ कि महमूद भाई और धर्म जी के आंसू गिर पड़े, और उनसे कहा गया कि आप कुछ बोलिए, तो उसने कहा कि मैं क्या बोलूं, हमारे तो ये देख करके दृश्य जो है हमारे लिए इतना भावुक है। इस तरह की वहाँ की जनता है, वो आपको उठा करके ले जाएगी। मैं अपने अनुभव अभी नहीं बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि पूरा ऐसा लगेगा कि मैं अपनी ही तारीफ़ कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन नहीं, ऐसी बात नहीं है, वो बहुत ही भावुक लोग हैं। हम जैसे कि अभी इस फिल्म में हमने हुगली नदी में शूटिंग की, और मैं एक और फिल्म की शूटिंग करने गया था वहाँ, दो अनजाने की। हमारे एक गाना करना था हमें बोटानिकल गार्डन में, जो कि हुगली नदी के उस पार है, हुगली में है। तो अगर हम सड़क से जाते तो समय लगता, और कहीं ना कहीं लोगों को पता चलता कि हम उधर जा रहे हैं, इसलिए उन लोगों ने कहा कि आप इधर एक स्टीमर जाता है इस पार से, उसमें आप बैठ जाइए, चुपचाप से चले जाएंगे उस तरफ, और वहाँ उतर करके गाड़ी में बैठ के वो बोटानिकल गार्डन पहुँच जाएंगे, वहाँ गाना शुरू हो जाएगा। तो अब बहुत सवेरे 6-7 बजे वहाँ एक स्टीमर चुपचाप से लग गया इस तरफ, और हम उसमें जा कर के बैठे, और जैसे ही वो स्टीमर निकला नदी में जाने के लिए, कुछ 200-300 लोग जो है वो पानी में कूद गए, कूद करके साथ में तैर के गए हमारे साथ उस तरफ। ये बहुत ही ये फैन फॉलोइंग तो है ही, लेकिन एक इनकी जो भावना है ना, वो बड़ी अजीब है। और उसी जगह बोटानिकल गार्डन में एक तालाब था बहुत बड़ा, तो हम लोग तालाब के इस तरफ थे ताकि भीड़ जो है उधर रहे, तो भीड़ उधर थी, लेकिन वहाँ से वो लोग हाथ हिलाएं, शोर मचाएं। एक सज्जन जो थे उन्होंने कहा कि प्लीज़ सर, कुछ हमको आना है, ये फोटोग्राफ चाहिए। तो मैंने कहा यार बेचारा बहुत परिश्रम कर रहा है, इसको बुला लेते हैं। तो ये ऑटोग्राफ ऐसे कागज़ मुंह में पकड़े और पेन ऐसे मुंह में धरे, वो पानी में तैरता हुआ पूरा तालाब पार करके आया मेरे पास, भीगा एकदम, और मैंने उसको ऑटोग्राफ दिया। उसने मुझे गले लगाया, चीखा चिल्लाया ये, और वैसे ही पानी में कूद दिया ऑटोग्राफ लेकर। जितना ऑटोग्राफ लिया था सब मिट गया। तो बहुत सी ऐसी कहानियां हैं कोलकाता की।
मैं आज़ाद हूँ में भी एक कहानी है ना।
हाँ, अरे बाप रे, वो तो बताना नहीं चाहिए। सर वो एक थिएटर में वो फिल्म लगी थी, मैं आज़ाद हूँ, और उसमें जहाँ दृश्य जहाँ मैं छत से कूद जाता हूँ, आत्महत्या करता हूँ, तो फैंस जो हैं सर वो बड़े भावुक होते हैं। तो जैसे ही मैं खड़ा हुआ वो फिल्म में, वो दीवार के ऊपर एक जो फैन था, वो बैल्कनी के जो ऐसे कॉर्नर होता है उधर खड़ा हो गया, और जैसे ही मैं कूदा उसने कहा दादा एकला जाबो ना तुम्हें, डाम करके कूद गया नीचे। बंगाली में उसने कहा कि आप अकेले नहीं जाएंगे, मैं भी जाऊंगा साथ में आपके। तो इस तरह का पैशन है वहाँ के लोगों में। It's very difficult to explain, you know, how it's just so loving and so warm.
Ribu, towards your
We
left.
only have question for one, yeah, that gentleman in red,
That's me.
please.
Thank you. Congratulations on a very gripping trailer that we just saw. Like someone mentioned, there's a crazy star cast on board. What I want to know is how are they on set?
How are they on set?
Yeah, because you know they come with a lot of experience. So do they probably tell you, oh, this is to be done this way, or?
No, not at all. Don't try. Shuja. Oh. Shuja was actually doing the other part of filming, which was production. So, you know, he was looking after all of us. He was very warm that way. Yeah.
And
Food should come on time. So Shuja was, yeah.
अमर सिंह ने जया जी पर काफी इल्जाम लगाया, आपका भी नाम लिया।
Can we keep the questions relating to the
आप
film,
कुछ
please?
कहना
I'm really
चाहेंगे सर? आप
sorry.
कुछ एक्शन लेने वाले हैं?
बोलने दीजिए उनको।
जी, आप कुछ एक्शन लेने वाले हैं सर? क्योंकि काफ़ी कुछ उन्होंने बोला 2 दिन पहले, आपने सुना होगा जया जी के बारे में, आपके बारे में, कि आपने उनको वार्न किया था कि जया जी से दोस्ती ना करें। काफ़ी कुछ उन्होंने कहा, आपने वो सुना होगा। कुछ एक्शन लेने वाले हैं या क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर?
वो हमारे मित्र हैं, उनका ये अधिकार है कि वो हमारे बारे में जो चाहे कह सकते हैं।
Sujoy or Sujoy. Okay, just one last question from this lady over here. I'm sorry. Lady here.
किसके जीवन के बीच? अभिनय को लेकर जी, मैं उनसे जब भी मिलता हूँ मैं उनका बहुत बड़ा प्रशंसक हूँ और मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि वो बहुत ही अद्भुत कलाकार हैं। और कई बार जब भी मैं मिलता हूँ उनसे हाथ जोड़ कर प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि अगली फिल्म क्या आप मेरा नाम रेकमेंड कर सकती हैं कि मैं उनके साथ काम कर सकूँ। अभी तक ऐसा हुआ नहीं है। यदि आपसे मिले तो आप मेरी तरफ।
All right, that was the last question for the afternoon. I'm really sorry. So equally important apart from the cast and the crew are the producers of the film. So can we have you on stage please as well for the photo op? Blue Waters Motion Pictures, Gulab Singh Tanwar, Abhijit Ghantak and Anirudh Tanwar. From Endemol, Deepak Dhar and Ram Mirchandani. From Cinema,
क्या कर रहा है यार?
जिसका